Hello friends, today I am sharing this very beautiful shell planter created by my daughter Aditi for her school project. I really liked this beautiful planter which she made, so I wanted to share it with you. Unfortunately, I did not record while she was making it, so I have only a little bit of recording. So I recreated some of the parts which she did, like this ball, golden ball and silver ball. These are very easy to make and can be DIYed yourself. So let's learn to make this very beautiful planter, and you can buy these shells online, or if you go to a sea beach, then these shells you can find them on the beach, or even they are sold on the seashore, and you can get like 2 packets for about 100 rupees or so. And the beads are also available in the shops, and you can also create some larger beads at home using some tissue paper. So for the first part that I'm going to show you is creating these bigger beads at home. For this, all you need is some glue, water and tissue paper and some metallic colors. I have over here the golden and silver colored balls. So first of all, take some tissue paper, tear them apart, and then take some water in a container. And because I was just going to make one bead, I am taking very little water. And all you need is some white glue. Add the white glue in the water. Mix it well. It should be a little bit sticky but not too sticky, so just a thin solution is enough. And once the glue is mixed, put the tissue paper in this water. And once the tissue paper is fully wet, take it out and roll it between the palms of your finger to create this ball. Now allow these balls to dry up first and then paint them using metallic colors, like over here I am using this golden color, and also my daughter used some silver color to paint these balls. So this ball is still wet, but just for showing you I am doing it. But first you should allow it to dry up completely, and then you can simply color up the balls. So this is how the balls will look once you color them up. You have to give 2 to 3 layers of colors because these metallic colors are quite transparent, so you need to have 2 to 3 layers. And then again allow them to dry off, and in this manner you can create these round bead shaped balls of different sizes. And the next thing that you need is a container like so. Now since this container already had a golden background, she did not put any paint on it. Simply she placed the shells using some glue and she stuck it on the container like so. And after finishing off sticking all the shells, what she did was she took the beads and put the beads in the spaces in between the shells. In this manner you have to fill up all the space as much as you can. In the larger areas you can use the bigger balls, and you can use some ready-made smaller beads to fill in the tiny spaces in between. In this manner just complete making the planter, and this very easy DIY planter looks so attractive when it is done. And you can use any indoor plant and plant it in this planter, and you can keep it in the house. You can also keep it outside. Just be a little bit careful while watering the container so that the shell does not get too wet, and that's all that is needed. My daughter also created another planter. It is this fox planter, but I do not have any recording of this, so I might recreate another planter of a similar kind. She created this planter using an old cold drink bottle and some paint and other stuff, so I might create this planter also. So I hope you like this beautiful shell planter and also this cute fox planter, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.